Hello guys, welcome to YouTube. Today we are going to learn about this English vocabulary verse thok Nath. I'm going to explain the meaning in thok Nath. It is very important topic and you should follow. Well, let's get started. The loss of voice. When you lost your voice, it is called aphonia. Aphonia. This is aphonia. In thok Nath, we call it charola thought, or you can say charola thought. Charola thought. When you lost your voice, we call it charola thought. The loss of arm, it is called amputation. Amputation. In thok Nath, we call it shated angok. Shated angok or shated kangok when it is plural. Shated angok. The loss of sight, it is called blindness. In thok Nath, we call it chor, or chiwanka mot, or chawanka mut, or chiwanka berar. The loss of taste, it is called agisia. In thok Nath, we call it mishidor jek ashum. Mishidor she jek ashum. Like when you want to eat food and you cannot taste it, or you lost taste. Michi kwen chachum shale michi door jek chachum. You lost taste shale she door she jekachum. It is called agisia when you lost taste. The other one is loss of smell when you cannot smell anything. It is called anosmia. In thok Nath, we call it mishidor mishidor ngwech when you cannot smell anything. Mitel mangwech alo changa dor chi lonka madere ngwech chale anosmia. Ki mishidor shi ngwech when you lost the smell. And next one, it is called when you lost memory. When you lost memory, it is called amnesia. Michi sharkubat. Michi charkushikabat alo tel rami timi ke china chikinich. Michi charkubat shale amnesia. When you lost memory, it is called amnesia. The next one, when you lost sleep, when you cannot sleep, it is called insomnia. Missioning, we can call it missioning. Missioning, it is called insomnia. So please follow this channel for more tutorial, for more lesson in both English and thok Nath. And do not forget to subscribe. Please try to learn and try to imitate this vocabulary. Voice, when you lost your voice, it is called aphonia. When you lost your arm, it is called amputation. When you lost sight, it is called blindness. When you lost taste, it is called agisia. When you lost a smell, it is called anosmia. When you lost your memory, it is called amnesia. And when you lost a sleep, you cannot sleep, it is called insomnia. Thank you for watching. Please share it with others. Thank you. Bye-bye.